Pour hot water over the eggs. The Japanese person taught me this. Start with 300 milliliters water in a pot and bring it to a boil. Once done, set it aside. In a smaller bowl, add 3 eggs. Now pour the hot water over the eggs. Whisk everything well with a fork. Use a spoon to remove any bubbles on top. After that, we're ready to go. Let's transfer it to a container. I'll steam it, but you can use a water bath too. Let it set for about 20-30 minutes. Do the fork test to check if it's ready. Now slice it with a knife as I'm showing. Pour plenty of soy sauce on top. Then sprinkle some chives. I also added some pre-fried garlic. Now it's time to dig in and enjoy. Look how amazing this recipe turns out. A savory pudding for any time of day. I hope you all enjoyed this recipe. Another quick dish from Pobre na Cocina. Big hugs, see you next time, and thanks.